The year is 1947. The other Great War is over. America's getting back to manufacturing. One of the leaders was Underwood, and they came out with this beautiful gem. 1947 Underwood Universal. This seems pretty neat because it actually has a quite simple build. Nothing to really mess up, but it still has cool features like backspace. But still has a little bit narrow keyboard. A lot of people enjoy. Still has touch tuning added feature. And then, of course, super cool margin release if you need that. No tabs, but everything else is there. This was definitely a writer's machine. And it was nice, compact. Came with the great case. It was all good to go. It even has a super cool features. You can move the ribbon with if needed. Looks like I missed a G in that one. Again, on the showroom floor, Typewriter Muse here in Riverside, California. Available by appointment. We are interested in getting you set up with your new-to-you writing machine. Give us a call.